you done? Hello? You like to home?
Quick reminder before we start. I am not a practicing attorney and nothing in this video is legal advice. If you need legal guidance, talk to a qualified professional in your jurisdiction. This one starts on a highway and ends with a felony charge. In between, there is a road rage incident with two completely opposite accounts: a child in the car, physical damage on the vehicle, and a man who disappears the moment the blue lights come on. We are going to go through exactly what the body camera captured and let the evidence tell us what it can. Because in this case, what happened before the stop matters just as much as what happened during it.
Let me see your hands. Hands out the window.
I got a kid in here. Be careful. I have a kid in the back seat. No, don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab. What are you grabbing me for? What are you grabbing me for? What are you recording?
Okay.
I'm
trying to.
Don't grab me. Don't grab me. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. I'm gonna give you my driver right here.
Being recorded, officer.
Okay. I'm recording too.
Them people threw that shit at my car. I have no problem giving my license. I promise. I have no problem.
Well, you saw the blue lights, right?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
That's why I pulled over right here. No, I pulled over right here. I got off on the interstate.
You accelerated trying to get away from it.
No, I did not. I pulled over.
Camera.
Okay. I'm not hiding from you. I just got out of jail. I'm not hiding from nobody.
I didn't say you were hiding.
Okay.
But it damn sure looked like you were trying to evade. Is this your vehicle?
Yeah. This is my grandma's.
What's this?
That's my medical, just in case.
Is there any in the car?
No.
Well, then I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Who do you got with you?
My son and my boyfriend.
Okay. And
Christian, get out. Step out. Step out.
No.
Hands up.
Step out, sir.
No, I want you to stay in the car. Do you have ID with you?
I got his ID right here. I got your
I
ID. I got his ID right here. I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
You got your ID? Or
I
you
got
don't?
his ID right here.
She's got it? Okay. What's going on?
Damn people threw 2 fucking sodas at my car.
Where at?
On the interstate, bro. And they cut me off. They almost made me crash. They were doing the fucking most. I did not do nothing to...
Where are you going to?
Alabama.
Where?
Alabama.
We're at Alabama. Ozark? Where are you coming from?
Florida.
We're at Florida.
There.
From your
Right
home?
there, yes.
Okay.
I just got out of jail. We going to Alabama. That's it.
Where at did they throw the bottles?
I'm not good with mileage and shit. It had to be about 5-10 miles back. They were throwing shit. They were flicking me off. Do you have the videos of them bitches flicking me off and doing all that extra shit? They were doing so, bro, please, because I refuse to go to jail over some shit. They started throwing shit at my car first. Can you please? Step in here. You see all this? This is all from them. And then up here.
Hold on.
Sir, when
What is it?
All this shit, it was all wet from here. Eliza.
It's what? It's wet?
Yes, do you see the lines? Do you see these lines? That's all from them throwing something in my car. Hit my shit. I have a 6-year-old in
water in the car. It fucking hit the kid. It fucking hit the window. It
son
almost
in
made
it.
her crash us.
He's in it.
Alright, tell you what.
I just have to
stand
speak.
right
Can I just piss?
Not right now, no.
Can I piss there?
If you'll stand right
Okay.
there. Okay, what happened?
When we were driving, there was this other car, newer version car, looked like it had a new tag on it. You're okay if I record this, right?
I'm recording.
Okay, we're all recording. Yeah. So we're driving, that car comes past us, they try to cut us off, we slow down a little bit, they come around, they roll their window down, and they threw a bottle of water through the car, and it went, they hit the kid, and then it hit inside the car, and we were just trying to get...
She saw my lights. I was trying to catch up. She passed me. She was riding that other vehicle. Be quiet. I was trying to catch up. She was trying to get away. She was weaving in and out of cars, trying to get away.
I gotta pee. I have to pee.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
I don't. You can take me.
No, stop.
Okay, I'm just telling you. I don't have nothing. I just have to pee.
Did you go to the restroom?
Can I piss, please? Or I can be here and you can watch me. I don't care.
I don't want to watch that.
Well, hey.
All right, what's going on?
She just came up behind me. I was passing an 18-wheeler, and she just came up behind me, and I noticed she swerved and almost hit my car, so I sped up a little bit to get away from her. And I got over to the right lane, if I remember correctly. And I noticed she started swerving more out of the cars. I'm like, okay, she's probably on something. And when she got close to me, I'm like, yeah, I'm not dealing with this. So I kind of try to get away from her, because I have a almost 2-year-old daughter in the car. I don't want to risk her life or anything. So I tried to get away from her, and she started following me, and then they started throwing something at me. I couldn't see it for sure.
It seems like they first threw a water bottle, and the second day they threw like some like round object at us. And then there's multiple times where she tried to where by like the bars are, where the ramps are, guardrails. She almost ran us up in that.
She had
to like.
This would be the lane, and then she would be right here.
Like
and I had no choice to get into the breakdown lane or really close to the guardrail, and then hard brake. And they were blowing kisses at us.
Yeah, she was just like.
I don't know what they were on.
She was just laughing the whole time, and the guy was just encouraging her.
And I'm pretty sure he was recording too.
Yeah.
He was recording? Okay. All right. If you guys will hang tight, okay?
Am I being entertained or can I go?
No, you can't go.
Huh?
Come here.
Am I being detained?
Yeah, you're being detained.
For what? For what?
Because I'm investigating something.
Investigating? Okay, tell me what's going on and then you can detain me.
You know what's going on.
I know the laws and I know you can't detain me without a probable cause. So what is it?
What is the probable
They
cause?
threw their shit at me and I got the
Okay.
pictures and video.
Go wait at the vehicle. and
Go! I'll show you. Come on, let's go. I'll show you where.
I'll be out there in just a minute.
Okay.
How do you know we're not finding out if they are violators and we're
I
trying to
don't.
find out what to do?
That's why I
That's
said,
what
what's
you're
my
jumping to
charge?
conclusions. Let us do our investigation.
You are treating me like I'm the victim.
You're not.
You're treating me
You
like
are.
I'm
You're
the problem
No,
here.
you're the victim.
Was he not? Was he not treating me like I'm the fucking problem? I got my son in the back seat. He's 6 years old. What the fuck
How
is
about-
wrong with you now? They lucky days. Yeah, who my kid in the back seat?
He's asking them questions.
I
If
will
they-
ask them questions myself.
If they instigated it, who's the victim?
They ain't gonna tell you they instigated. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Hello? How long have you been a cop?
25 years.
All right, so are they gonna tell you they instigated or not? Are they or not?
You don't know that.
No, they ain't. You fucking dumb.
Okay.
You say you've been 25 years with a cop. You a fucking idiot. Am I being detained or not?
You're not free to go. You're not free to go.
Am I being detained?
He is detaining you. You're not free to go.
Record it, Christian. Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
He's
Am I
conducting
being
an investigation. No, you're not under
For
handcuffs.
that.
Oh, here he comes. Get out of the road.
Sweetheart.
Get over here.
You better fucking let me go.
Here he comes, right here, to let you go.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. That's what I thought.
Don't pull off.
Good night.
He's conducting the investigation.
I won't. Thanks very much.
Can you step out of the vehicle? Let me talk to you.
For what?
For what?
I'm
You don't
gonna,
even know his no.
I'm gonna talk to him. Because I wanted to talk to you away from her so we can talk.
No.
Listen, I told you what happened already, and that's what happened.
He's not
You're not
stepping out
under
the vehicle.
arrest.
He don't have to step out the vehicle to tell you what happened. No, bruh.
Damn.
Bree, I swear to God, I'm gonna snap on these niggas. He does not need to step out the vehicle to tell you
Would
what
you
happened.
shut up?
No, the fuck I won't. No, I won't.
I just need to talk to you.
No, that ain't
So
no
that way I
talking.
can talk to you without her
No,
yelling.
he's gonna tell you the same shit I told you.
I
He's
don't
gonna tell you
understand.
the
We
same-
all have the same story, so what's the difference?
Please, can I get your ID, your name, and your badge number, please? You're ugly as fuck.
Yeah.
Ooh, you uglier than a bitch.
Can-
Okay,
can we go?
finish, please.
No, not
Am I
yet.
being detained?
Yes, you're being detained.
For what?
You know what?
No, I don't. So please tell me, because if not, I'm pulling off. Please tell me.
You're not.
What am
if
I
you pull
being
off, you're going to
What
jail.
am I being detained for? Please tell me.
For fleeing
You're
and
all-
eluding.
Fleeing and eluding what?
Yeah.
No, you can't touch my phone.
I'm not.
Fleeing and eluding what?
Would you
Fleeing
step
and
out so I
eluding-
can
no,
talk
no,
to you?
no, no, no.
Not her. I'm trying to avoid taking anybody to jail.
Good night. Please move your hand off my shit. Please move your hand off my shit. This ain't your car. Just move your hand.
Ma'am,
This ain't your
you're
shit.
about to go to jail.
You're about to. Please move your hand off my shit. I am not being detained. Good
863.
night. Good night. Am I being detained? Am I being
You have Jackson County,
detained?
right?
Am I being detained?
Yes, I've
For
told you
what?
that.
For what?
You're being
I have
detained.
yet to be told what for.
You'll find out here in just a minute.
No, tell me now.
No, don't do
I'm
that.
gonna call 911.
Call 911.
I'm going to. Because you ain't got no charge to hold me on.
Do I have a right to
No,
not?
no.
The first thing she says is, I have a kid in the back seat. Not a deflection, not a legal strategy, just a mother making sure the officers know there is a child present before anything else happens. That is worth noting because it sets the tone for who she is in this moment. She is scared, she is angry, and she is thinking about her daughter first. The officer asks her to show her hands and she complies, then immediately starts explaining. People threw things at her car. She has video. She has no problem handing over her license. And then the line that is going to follow her through this entire stop. I just got out of jail. I am not hiding from nobody. She volunteered that. Nobody asked. And the reason she volunteered it is the same reason she said, I have a kid in the back seat. She is trying to control how this looks before it gets away from her because she knows how it looks. Now the officer says it damn sure looked like you were trying to evade. And she does not deny that she was accelerating or moving through traffic. What she says is she was trying to get away from the other car. That is a distinction that is going to matter a great deal later. She shows him the damage, lines on the car, marks on the window, something hit it. Something hit near the child. That is not nothing. That is physical corroboration of at least part of her account that a projectile made contact with the vehicle. Then the boyfriend gives his account, and here is where it gets complicated. His version and hers do not quite align on one specific point. He says she was trying to catch up to the other car. She says she was trying to get away. He then corrects himself or softens it, but that moment is already on camera. Officers heard it, and when two people in the same vehicle give accounts that do not match on whether they were chasing or fleeing, that becomes a problem. The other driver gives her account on the other side of the stop. Her version is that this vehicle came up behind her aggressively, forced her into the breakdown lane multiple times, and that the occupants were laughing and blowing kisses at her while it was happening. She mentions a brown object being thrown. She says she was nearly pushed into the guardrail. She has a 2-year-old daughter in her car. So now you have two mothers, two children, two completely opposite accounts of who was the aggressor, and the officers cannot resolve that on the side of the road in real time. What they can do is detain everyone while they investigate, which is exactly what they do. When she asks if she is being detained, the answer is yes. That is legally correct under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968. Officers can briefly detain a person without arresting them when they have reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is occurring. Two conflicting accounts of a road rage incident that may constitute reckless driving, criminal mischief, and potentially battery gives them more than enough to hold everyone in place while they work it out. She knows some of this. She invokes her rights clearly. She asks the right questions. She pushes back with more legal literacy than most people would in that moment. But she also does not let the officers work. Every time someone tries to ask a question or conduct the investigation, she is talking over it or redirecting it. And that energy, however understandable, is not helping her. The 25 years comment is where she crosses from assertive into counterproductive. Telling a 25-year veteran that he does not know what he is doing is not going to move this in her direction. It is just going to make everyone dig in.
863. Get on the ground.
Fuck you. Fuck you. My kid in the car. Elijah, get out. Get out. Get out. You a pussy with my kid in the car. You a pussy. Are you mad? You like my ass, huh? That bitch fat. That bitch fat. That bitch is fat. You like it, huh? Pictures and videos if you want to buy them. That's what I thought. He's gone. He ran out. Good luck finding him. Can I call somebody for my son? He's gone. That gone, boy. He gone. Good luck. Get my phone out of the front and hand it to me. Don't worry about these cops. Send me my phone now.
Run across the cow field at the 1020.
Please, dude.
That shit hurts. Y'all still have not found this motherfucker. I'm about to go back there and help you find him so you can let me go. He does not have kids. This is not fair. I have 2 children to be home to, bro. He has nothing. I don't just run. I've never ran from police. I have never ran from a police in my fucking life. Ever. Never. I want y'all to understand, bro. I am not the fucking girl. I'm not the fucking enemy here.
He ran, That is the whole clip. The boyfriend ran. And I want you to think about what that does to everything that came before it. She just spent the entire first clip telling officers she has nothing to hide, that she is the victim, that she has video, that she has physical evidence, that her account is the true one, and the man sitting next to her in that car decided, the moment the pressure became real, to run from law enforcement on a public road. That is not a neutral act. Flight from police is legally recognized as consciousness of guilt. It does not prove guilt, but it tells the officers that someone in that vehicle had a reason to not be standing there when the investigation concluded. And now she is the one left holding every question he just ran away from. She is handcuffed. She is on the ground, and she is saying the cuffs hurt. And then she starts talking about him. He has nothing. He has no kids. This is not fair. I have 2 children to go home to. I have never run from police in my life. Never. Every single one of those statements might be completely true, and not one of them changes what just happened, because the charges she is about to face are not only about what he did, they are about what the entire stop produced. And he just made everything dramatically worse for everyone by leaving the fleeing and eluding charges the one that needs the closest scrutiny here. In most states, fleeing and eluding applies to the operator of a vehicle who willfully fails to stop for law enforcement. She stopped. She pulled over. She complied with the blue lights. What the charge may relate to is the driving conduct on the highway before the stop, specifically whether her acceleration and lane changes during the road rage incident constituted an attempt to evade the officer who was already behind her with lights activated. That is the question. The dash cam footage and the body camera footage are going to have to answer together. The cruelty to a child charge is the most serious in terms of what it implies. It will depend on whether investigators determine that her driving conduct, specifically the high speed weaving through traffic with a 6-year-old in the car, meets the legal threshold for endangerment under that state statute. If it does, that charge has teeth regardless of who threw what. What she says at the end is the most honest thing in the entire clip. I am not the enemy here. She might be right. She might not be entirely right, but she is definitely not the only person in this situation who caused harm. A man ran down a highway and left her to answer for everything. And whatever the investigation ultimately finds, that part is simply true. Following the stop, the woman was charged with felony, fleeing and eluding a law enforcement officer, cruelty toward a child, battery on an officer, and obstruction without violence. The male occupant who fled on foot was apparently located based on the officer's radio communication at the end of the footage, though the outcome of his apprehension is not confirmed in the available material. The other driver and her child were not charged based on the footage available. Whether the physical evidence on the vehicle, the video footage the woman claimed to have, and the accounts of both drivers ultimately supported her version of events or undermined it is not resolved in this footage. What the footage does show is a genuinely complicated road rage incident. 2 frightened mothers both trying to protect small children, and a stop that deteriorated significantly the moment one occupant decided that running was a better option than standing still. If you are in a road rage situation, the safest thing you can do is not engage. Do not accelerate. Do not follow. Do not throw anything. Pull off safely when you can and call it in. Because the moment you start matching that energy on a highway, you become part of the incident. And if there are children in that car, the stakes are not just yours to carry. As always, nothing said in this video is legal advice. I am not a practicing attorney. Every situation is different. And if you need legal guidance, you need a qualified lawyer. See you on the next one.